Marjorie Bernardine Costello Barretto is a Filipino former actress and politician. She was elected as the City Councilor of 2nd District of Bulacan from 2007 to 2013. Marjorie is the second to the youngest child of Miguel Alvier Barretto and Estrella Ende Costello Barretto. As for her siblings, the TV star has two older brothers, Miguel Antonio and Joaquin, and four sisters in total, Michelle Antoinette Ja, Gretchen, and Claudine. Barretto has 5 children, Donnie Barretto with Kira Legaspi, 3 including actress Julia Francesco with ex-husband Dennis Padilla, and 1 with former Caloocan Mayor Recom Echeverry. With Dennis Padilla's mid-1990 relationship, he married Barretto in 1995. Eldest Julia Barretto was born in 1997, while Claudia Isabel was born on July 26, 1999. She finished Bachelor of Arts Psychology at the Ateneo de Manila University in 2022. Leon Marcox was born on April 2, 2003, and is a Dean's Lister studying marketing at University of Asia and the Pacific in 2023. Padilla and Marjorie Barretto separated in 2007, and their marriage was annulled in 2009. May 23, 2007, Marjorie Barretto, 33, was proclaimed Councilor of Caloocan City. It was a moment of triumph for the first-time politician. Wednesday night, May 23rd, Marjorie's husband, Dennis Padilla, who also served the same city in the same capacity, left their conjugal home and slept alone in the apartment which was used by Marjorie as headquarters during the campaign. Yes, the couple, living happily ever after for 14 years, have decided to go into a trial separation. No, there's no third party involved on either side, not even if Marjorie is being romantically linked by nasty rumors to a Metro Manila mayor who is very much happily married. They parted as friends. Marjorie Barretto and Kira Legaspi were involved in a relationship that resulted in their daughter, Donnie Barretto, being born in 1993. While their relationship was brief, lasting only about 2 months, they eventually went their separate ways. Donnie has spoken openly about her relationship with her father, acknowledging they haven't always had a strong bond. However, they have since patched things up and are on speaking terms, according to Donnie. Father of my youngest daughter, Marjorie Barretto on relationship with Recom Echeverry. Marjorie Barretto has finally addressed her relationship with former Caloocan City Mayor Attorney Enrico Recom Echeverry. Recom Echeverry is the father of my youngest daughter. That's all I have to say, Marjorie said during an exclusive interview with broadcast journalist Karen Davila, which was aired over TV Patrol. Marjorie's revelation, a confirmation of a long-standing rumor in showbiz circles, came as the politician's name got dragged into her ongoing fight with sisters Gretchen and Claudine. To recall, it was when Marjorie shocked the public by introducing via Instagram her youngest child named Eric. She didn't name then the father of the child. Marjorie's Instagram carries several posts that show how proud she is of her children. Nevertheless, when asked what she would say to people disappointed in her involvement with the politician, Marjorie admitted that she's not very proud of the fact that she fell in love with a married man. "I'm not perfect. I'm very strong in many ways, but when it comes to love, I'm really weak. I'm sorry. I'm not very proud of it. That is the reason why I was not announcing it to the public. Not so that I wasn't claiming to be perfect. But I don't want to hurt other people. There will be a lot of hurt if I'm being rude. Isn't that right? That's the reason why I kept it. I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. It's really wrong. I fell in love with a married man. But this is it. This is it." April 10, 2025, Marjorie Barretto revealed that Dennis Padilla agreed that he will not walk with their daughter Claudia on her wedding day. In her interview with Ogie Diaz, Marjorie said that Claudia did not want to invite Dennis to her wedding because of their estranged relationship. Claudia tied the knot with her longtime boyfriend Boss D. Lorenzo last April 9th in an intimate ceremony in Alabang. "I'm convincing Claudia that the right thing to do is to invite his father. God knows. My kids know. Sometimes it caused friction. Because they weren't friends, they were estranged, Marjorie said. I left her for days, then one day, she told me, okay, I'll invite him, but I don't want him to walk me down the aisle. I hope my daughter is not judged here, she added. Inside Marjorie Barretto's rest house in Bulacan, dubbed as River Garden, it's where her family holds reunions and spends vacations. Marjorie Barretto shared that this property holds a special place in her heart since this where the kids grew up. We have so many memories here. The mom of 5 says this is where they usually hold family reunions and spend vacations. Family takes center stage in the property they call River Garden as its common areas are perfect for bonding with the family. Marjorie showed the pavilion and gazebo at the beginning of the tour, which houses not just 1 but 3 dining areas. Marjorie wanted the space to showcase Filipino-style elements. True to its name, this rest house boasts a relaxing view of the Angat River. Of course, it has a view deck, which unsurprisingly, according to Marjorie, is her family's favorite spot. This is the perfect place for some quiet time and just admiring nature's wonders. Even the kitchen is an open-air space. Very provincial, as Marjorie would describe it. The former actress and politician recently had a grill made for the place, saying her family loves grilled food. Another common area where family members spend time together is the courtyard. Marjorie says her kids, especially Claudia, used to complain about the area because it's too dusty and when it rains, it gets muddy. To improve the space, pavers were put in place, giving it a modern touch. The rest house also has a pool area, which, according to Marjorie, was built using the money she won from the game show Pura o Biang. The River Garden has 4 bedrooms, each with an en-suite bathroom. The bedrooms are also named after flowers to match the name of the rest house. Bougainvillea Room, the Gamamela Room, the Sampaguita Room, the Santon Room. River Garden is a meticulous puzzle, pieced together over the past 20 years using Marjorie's old furniture pieces hand-me-downs from her mom, Estrella Costello Barretto. My mom has passed on to me a lot of her furniture because we share the same passion for home, Marjorie shares. Marjorie displays these jars, which are from her mom's collection. This antique altar table is also from Mommy Estrella. The paintings on display inside the rooms are gifts from her mom as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.